students, how are you? Students, yesterday I sent you a video which was already I have sent also, but because that was a huge gap of that is why I resent that video again, because that was the first video of the explanation of the chapter which we started before 2-3 weeks. Clear? Now students, in today's video we will continue the same thing or the same story. The story was about the lost child, and now let's continue the story. On the same page we are going to start page number 1. The last para we will start with. I hope you all are ready with your books. I hope that now books are available with everyone else. All can hold their books, put fingers on your lines, have pencil in your hand and get ready. We are going to start. I hope you all are ready. So let's begin. He hurried towards his parents. Children, what has happened in the yesterday's video? There was a child who went with his mother and father on a fair, and he was very much willing, as on average child, he wants to observe all the things which are there in that particular fair, and he wanted to have them all, toys, sweets and all that, whatever kind of shops he was passing or he was getting in between, he wanted to have all of them. But suddenly what was happening, his father and mother were moving forward and they were calling him, then he is also moving them behind. Clear? Now let's see what has happened. As the title is The Lost Child, so there was a surprise how the child lost. Clear? So let's continue. Hold your fingers on lines, everyone, please. Let's begin. He hurried towards his parents. Students, who is he here? The young child, the small child. Hurried means running fastly towards his parents, his feet obedient to their call. When his parents are calling, so obediently his feet are following the feet of his parents. So he was following them. His eyes still lingering on the receding toys. Means feet are running forward, but eyes are looking back. What they are looking back? Toy shop. And when he was moving forward, so toys are moving backward because he was moving forward. ऐसा होता ना, जैसे बच्चा आगे चलता जा रहा है लेकिन वो टॉयज की शॉप में जो टॉयज रखे हैं क्योंकि वो आगे बढ़ रहा है तो टॉयज की शॉप के टॉयज पीछे पीछे होते जा रहे हैं. तो रिसीडिंग टॉयज मतलब द टॉयज विच आर स्टॉपिंग बिहाइंड, विच आर लीविंग बिहाइंड. So his eyes are looking at the toys, but his feet are moving forward because his ears are listening the sound of his parents. That is why the feet are obedient. The feet of the child are obedient, but not the eyes. Eyes are still lingering. Lingering means stopped at the toys and receding and throwing him back. He was unable to move forward. His eyes was unable to look at front. He was looking back, but he was walking like this. Though his legs are following, but his eyes are not following the sound, the orders of his parent. Getting or not? That's for receding toys. As he came to where they had stopped to wait for him. And the parents, because the child left behind, so parents were also waiting. And when he was looking back and moving forward, so parents are waiting till he reached to that place where his parents are waiting for him. So they were waiting for him. Clear? As he came to where they means parents had waited, had stopped to wait for him. He could not suppress the desire. Suppress means to press, to force to stop, forcefully to stop. That is suppress. So he can't stop his desire. Desire means his wish of his heart. What is the wish of his heart? To buy those toys which are left behind. He wanted to go and he wanted to get those toys, but his parents are unwilling to buy those toys for him. So he can't suppress, he can't stop, he can't press his desires, like to press forcefully to his desire, to not to wish to buy. Small kid he was, when he saw the toys, he was willing to get those. Clear? So even though he well knew the old cold stare, and he is very much habitual that if he will demand toys from his father or from his parents, so what will be the reaction of his father or his parent? He know very well. What will be the reaction? He well knew. Knew means he is knowing in advance what will be the reaction of his father? What will be the reaction? Old means that was the reaction was very old, or he was very much habitual of that reaction, that how the father will react. Old, cold stare. Stare means to look straight forward, angle like this. You don't ask for the toys. It's like that only. Come, move away like this, like that. So he was very well knowing that if he will demand toys from his father, तो उसके पापा ऐसे react करेंगे. क्यों? समझ में नहीं आता एक बार में. Move, come with me, like that. And he was knowing very well. So even after that also, he was willing to say, Mama, please, Papa, please buy this toys for me. He was knowing very well what will be the reaction. What will be the reaction of his father? Old, cold stare of refusal. Refusal means N-O, no. Once told no means no. He was knowing very well that his father will react like so. And why this reaction is old? Because every time whenever he is demanding anything, his father is always showing this cold stare. And old because was old, his father is repeating the same kind of stare, same kind of looking at him. So he was knowing very well. In their eyes, there means parents' eyes. Maybe before also he demanded something, because the fate started from the very long time, so he must be knowing. So from the very beginning, maybe the shops came up and he must have demanded something, and the father must have shown the same kind of refusal way. So that is why old and cold stare of refusal in their eyes. But still, even then also he can't suppress. Suppress means dabana. Stop karna. Nahi stop kar paya apni us wish ko. Then what did he say? I want that toy. Please, Papa. Please, Mama. I want that toy. A toy, the toy which has fascinated him a lot, which he wants a lot, which he finds very much lovable, and a desire come in him to buy that toy. So he said, Papa, Mama, please buy that toy for me. I want that toy. He said to his desire, I want that toy. He pleaded, requested a lot. Father, as usual, angry, always anger on his nose top. Then his father looked at him, red-eyed, like this. Red-eyed, bilkul. In his familiar tyrant way. Familiar means known, jani pehchani. Tyrant means cruel way. Like this. So father didn't say anything, but he gave a look on his eyes in a you, like this. So father was knowing everything. That father gave the same advice he looked at. Only looking at the child is enough for child to know that father is denying. His face is very much tyrant, cruel face, cruel red eyes he has seen. His mother melted. Mother is, soft-hearted nature. So mother melted. Melted means very much soft she became. And by the free spirit of the day, and the day was very good, so she don't want to spoil the spirit of the day, to spoil the mood of his child also, and to spoil the mood of his husband also. So what did she do? Tender and giving her, she became quite tender and soft towards her child, and she gave her finger to hold, like hold my finger. And then what did she say? Look, child, what is before you? Don't look at back on the toy shop. Just look at front. Many shops are there to come. Just look forward. Look forward. Gave her finger to the child and just tell her to come forward. Don't stop here. Let's move forward. Let's move forward. So father's reaction was very much just about to eat up, and the mother's reaction was melted, soft, that she don't want to spoil the mood of the child. I don't want to make the child also cry, because the father became already very angry. If the mother would also become angry, so there will be no one to save the father, to save the child. So she just in a melted way, in a tender way, just gave the her finger to the child, and then she told the child, let's move forward. See, many toys are there, many shops are there in front. It was a flowering mustard field. And then step forward over there. Flowering mustard field. Mustard field came afterwards. Flowering means full of flowers. A lot of flowers or blooms on that mustard field. Pale, and that becomes quite pale. That the color of the mustard flowers are usually yellow. It looks very pretty and beautiful whenever we see the flowers of the mustard on a field. So like melting gold. And what kind of yellow it is? As the gold has melted, the color of the gold is also yellow, and the color of the flowers of the mustard field is also looking like yellow. So it has been compared by the writer that it has been melting like gold as it swept across miles and miles of even land. Swept across means covered, because on a miles and miles way mustard fields are there. Miles and mile acre or miles way mustard fields are there, mustard flowers are there. So entire place became quite yellow and beautiful yellow, just like gold has melted. So afterwards this king. So here students, here ends up this video, as the time is also exceeding a lot, so we are ending up this video. So I hope you have enjoyed students. Keep on revising, keep on enjoying, and write on comments either on my personal WhatsApp number if you're not getting anything else, or on the YouTube comment, whatever problem you're having. That's all for today. Bye bye. Stay safe, stay home, be happy.